InSpire Roofing Products, the height of innovation. InSpire is the next generation of premium roofing products. It's the perfect combination of the natural beauty found in slate along with the most technologically advanced methods and materials. Unique molds cast from pieces of real slate are used to create different edges and surfaces, giving the tile the look of authentic slate. InSpire stands up to the toughest weather conditions with a Class 4 hail rating and a 110 mile/hour wind protection warranty. Class A and Class C fire ratings are available. InSpire offers the widest color options in the industry, more than double the choices of the competition, allowing you to express your personal style. Our next-generation compression molding process is unique in the industry, producing single tiles of blended colors. You have endless possibilities to create your own look by combining colors. InSpire weathers evenly, just like real high-quality slate. Installation is a breeze. Unlike other synthetic slate products, there is no bending or blending of InSpire tiles required prior to installation. Here are the tools you'll need to complete your InSpire project: pneumatic nail gun, hammer, tape measure, pry bar, tin snips, utility knife, circular saw, straight edge, hand seamers, and chalk line with blue chalk. Don't use red chalk, as this will stain the tiles and should never be used. Stainless steel or copper ring shank fasteners are recommended. Fasteners should be a minimum of 1.5 inches in length with a 3/8 inch head. 3-inch long fasteners should be used over ridge vent. 2-inch long fasteners should be used for the hip pieces. For job site safety, OSHA-approved safety harness, toe boards, roof jacks, and other necessary safety equipment should be used. For better and easier installation, the InSpire tiles need to be stored on the original pallet, which should be kept on a flat surface. They should be stored in the original packaging in a storage facility where the temperature meets or exceeds 45 degrees Fahrenheit. InSpire can be installed over a minimum of 1/2 inch plywood deck or 15/16 inch solid wood decking. Make sure that your deck surface is smooth, in good condition, and free of warping or debris. Install approved underlayment over the decking, following manufacturer instructions and local building codes. For a Class C fire-rated system, apply 30-pound felt without perforation over the entire roof deck. Secure with 3/4 inch long galvanized roofing fasteners. For a Class A fire-rated system, please contact InSpire for underlayment specifications. A balanced ventilation system is required. A minimum of 1 square foot of net-free ventilation area is required for every 300 square feet of attic floor space. A balanced ventilation system requires ventilation split between the upper portion and lower portion of the attic, such as ridge and soffit ventilation. A corrosion-resistant metal drip edge should be applied to all rakes and eaves. InSpire was designed with ease of installation in mind. Spacer tabs for accurate tile spacing. Exposure marks in 1/2 inch increments to maintain consistent alignment and exposure. For a roof that has a 412 pitch, a 6.5 inch or less exposure must be used. For all roofs 512 and above, a 7.5 inch or less must be used. The number of tiles needed per square will depend on the exposure of the roof. Targets designed for accurate fastener placement. Inflex creates a perfect fit. Our proprietary camber effect ensures a tight fit against wind and rain, and also eliminates the need for bending before installation. Each tile has a 3-digit color indicator. Each tile has a manufactured date indicator. There are 25 pieces of InSpire tiles per bundle. Starter tiles may be ordered pre-cut. Full tiles may also be used on the starter course. To create an offset from course to course, use the center mark provided on each tile and cut the tile in half lengthwise. The maximum overhang of tiles at the eave or rake edge is 1/2 inch. Chalk 2 vertical lines to ensure the keyways remain straight. Also, chalk intermittent horizontal lines to ensure consistent exposure. Once you have become familiar with the product, the use of horizontal lines may be reduced. Each tile shall be fastened with 2 ring shank roofing fasteners. It is required that the fasteners be placed within the target area provided on each tile. Pay attention not to overdrive or underdrive fasteners. Snow guards are necessary to prevent damage to gutters and landscape in cold climate regions. After the first course is installed, start placing snow guards every 2 feet. Install 2 more courses, then install snow guards 1 foot over from the first course and again every 2 feet. Install 2 more courses of tile. The third course will be directly above the first course, then every 2 feet down the roof. For an open valley, install a minimum 18-inch W valley or I-seam valley. Fasten the valley every 2 feet using metal cleats. Strike chalk lines to mark where the tiles will be cut. Shingle over the valley flashing a minimum of 4 inches. Make sure not to drive fasteners from the tiles into the valley. Once 2 adjacent roof sections have been covered, you are ready to install the hip tiles. Start by chalking a line. Place 1 tile at the eave and 1 at the peak. Use this as a guideline to keep hip tiles straight. It will be necessary to use 2-inch roofing fasteners for proper deck penetration. Use the targets for correct fastener placement. First, install an apron flashing at the base of the chimney. Let the flashing hang past the chimney on both sides by approximately 4 inches. From the outside upper corner, cut on a 45-degree angle down to the bottom lower corner of the chimney. Fold down and around the chimney. Mark along the chimney. Cut approximately 1/4 inch up from the bend of flashing to the chimney mark. Fold around the front of the chimney. Use a small dab of sealant or solder as necessary. Continue now by installing tiles with flashings just above the exposure. When fastening flashing, be sure not to drive fasteners into the keyway. Wrap pipe in ice and water shield as a preventative measure. Install tile to the pipe, cutting around the pipe as needed, and then install the pipe boot. Install ice and water shield over the pipe flashing flange. Install shingles around the pipe boot. Be sure to keep fasteners 6 inches from the pipe itself. Install the ridge vent over the slot opening. Use 3-inch ring shank fasteners to install the ridge pieces over the ridge vent. Staggering tiles may give an old-world look to your roof. We recommend chalking every line to avoid confusion. Place 1 tile on the chalk line, then the next tile no more than 1 inch below the chalk line. For detailed instructions, please consult our installation instructions on our website at www.inspireroofing.com. Start by removing the nails from both the tile to be replaced and the tile above it. Remove the tile and replace with a new tile. Use a wood block to pound down the nails to avoid damaging the tile with the hammer. Once your project is complete, it doesn't mean your relationship with InSpire is over. InSpire is there to support its product with a limited lifetime warranty. InSpire is the perfect accent to any home or commercial building. The variety of colors provides you the flexibility to customize your project. For detailed information, installation, specifications, and warranty, visit our website www.inspireroofing.com.